Maintaining balance is a complex neurological interplay with your visual system, the vestibular system, the inner ear, and proprioception from the senses in the joints, muscles, and fascia. There is no point in trying to increase flexibility or build greater muscle mass if you never spend any time enhancing that neurological interplay in the process of balance. Standing bow opens the hips, spine, shoulders in a dynamic balancing structure. On top of that, when you target all your efforts on opening out, you truly fire up all the proprioceptive sensors in the body, particularly those in the fascia. With this explosive amount of sensory information, you will discover how powerful you can be while being as calm as a cucumber and zero internal chatter. Despite being a complex engagement of the body, done correctly, everybody can do this posture with grace and ease, gaining astounding neuromuscular benefits in the process, provided you don't go chasing after that impossible dream. Often, this posture is pictured with someone doing the standing splits with one leg perfectly straight up in the air. Not everyone has the right bone structure to get anywhere close to that. There is a reason why this posture is commonly known as dancer's pose. You are to hold and kick one leg back and up behind you. As you do this, you must maintain a strong, open upper core. Both shoulders are opening out in opposite directions with a gentle spine twist. Standing bow. First off, as with all the standing postures, position 1. Inhale, exhale, and relax and pull open your structure. And from this point on, you must maintain your body to be relaxed and opened. Next, left arm up and drive your chest up away from the hip, keeping the bum relaxed, and really feel the spine internally elongate. Then take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, bring the right leg up, arm out to the side, and fully relax and open out to this structure. Feel the shoulders open. Feel the standing leg driving out to the hip socket. Then exhale, drive the chest up one more time, and grab the foot from behind, from the inside. Now truly master this structure. Inhale, exhale, relax and open out to this structure. Okay, here we go. Take the inhale, and on the exhale, drive the chest away as you kick back from the hip and slowly bring the body down. Kick, relax and open. Kick, relax and open. Driving the chest away, kicking from the hip. Kick, relax and open. Open out the chest. Kick, relax and open. Driving the chest away. Relax and open. Relax and open. Drive the chest away. Exhale, come back. Relax and open is the music you need your body to play, not one of tension driving hard into this posture. So do not charge forward like some crazy gorilla desperately trying to get the foot up over the head when looking in the mirror. With such a mindset, your ego rules and the reptilian brain cannot get a word in edgeways. Depth is not what this posture is about. When teaching in a studio with mirrors, I often get students to turn away from the mirrors to turn off their thinking mind, allowing the reptilian brain to focus more on opening out to this posture, listening to the increased level of proprioception signals flooding into the brain, created by the process of opening out the entire body. With this information, the reptilian brain is able to easily establish a far more superior neuromuscular roadmap of balance, stability, grace, and power. Your mantra is relax and open, kicking back, driving the chest forward. On a structural point, the amount you bring the body down is not something your thinking mind, your analytical mind, is in control of. You must feel it. As the hips open out, the body will naturally wish to come down. Do not command it down. Stop barking orders to the body to achieve some theoretical alignment. Play and have fun is how the body loves to learn. If you feel pinching anywhere in the body, something is wrong, in which case return to where there was no pinching and focus all your efforts on expanding out to that position. Remember, depth is not what this posture is about. Notice I have not mentioned the position of the head. Provided the neck is relaxed, there is no right or wrong position. Typically, we are told to bring the chin to the shoulder, but for most people, such a position brings tension into the neck. Also, typically we are told the hips must be perfectly square and parallel to the floor. Again, most people don't have the bone structure to do that without creating a whole load of compressive forces in the hips and spine. Remember, the quickest way to damage the body is to force it into some theoretical, predefined structure that may be great for a yoga teacher with a dancer's body, but not for you. In my online classes, we have so much more fun with this posture than simply engaging in the basic framework outlined here. As everybody who comes, they quickly discover you don't need to be highly flexible in order to take your practice up a level, to be more playful, to be more engaged. Everybody can do that. And if my mangled up, arthritic, 60-plus body can do it, everybody can.